Hi, welcome back to Woodchuck Creations. I'm Chuck, and today we're going to make a decorative sled. Christmas season's coming up, and I had the idea to make a decorative sled, so I looked at a few things on Pinterest, got some ideas together, and here's what we're going to make. This entire project is going to be built out of a 1x8x6 and a 1x4x8 foot pine board. The first thing we need to do is sketch out all the pieces onto the board, and then we will cut them out with the bandsaw. First, I'm going to draw the runners, which are the ski looking things that go against the snow. And I'm just going to use things in the shop. I'm going to use my T-square, and we're going to put a little angle on them at the front here. A good way to draw curves onto a template is to just use things that are circular in your shop, like a paint can or tape or smaller stain, even like a bucket. So we're going to use these to make the curves on all of these pieces. Now we have all of the patterns drawn onto the boards, and I'm going to cut down the 1x4 at the miter saw, and then we're going to cut out all these at the bandsaw. What? Wait, stop the music. Today only, we are offering a free lifetime subscription to Woodchuck Creations. So go ahead and click.
Really? A lifetime subscription?
A lifetime subscription. You heard it, folks. Full of DIY projects, sarcasm, and dad jokes. So go ahead and click below, but this is a limited time offer, so subscribe today. Now back to the project. We have all the pieces cut out, and now we're going to sand them at the belt sander to smooth out the edges. We now have all the pieces cut out and sanded down. So these are the runners. These are going to be the parts that, like the ski looking things that go down into the snow. And then these pieces, these supports are going to sit on top of them. And then we have the slats. And then there's the part that does, like, you know, the steering thing. So this is about what it's gonna sit like. I need to align some things, and then we're gonna go ahead and stain and paint it, and then we'll put it together. What I ended up doing is making a template of the 5 different pieces for this project, and in case you wanted to make a bunch of them and be able to do it fairly quickly, then you would just have to trace all of the patterns onto a piece of wood and cut them out, and that takes a lot of time away from having to draw all the curves every single time. Now it's time to attach everything together. I had cut some spacers, and this is how far I wanted this back rail to be from the end, and the rest I am going to use this spacer for. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in place. This is obviously just decorative, and it's not meant to like hold anybody or anything, but I am going to go ahead and glue and brad nail it together. So I'm going to cut a piece of metal that I'm going to attach from the seat slat portions to the little steer thing. And I'm just going to use this. I'm going to cut a portion off of it with a hacksaw. Now I'm going to take it over to the belt sander, and we're going to clean up these edges. Paint this with some black paint. Let that sit for a while. slats, I'm just holding them in with brad nails. So here's a completed sled. Let me know what you think in the comments, and go ahead and hit subscribe if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and there's some more videos for you to check out over here. Thanks. What? Wait, stop the music, stop the music. Hang on.